In the figure above, ABC is a right isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC is equal to 6. So let's quickly keep marking the equal sides. It's a right isosceles triangle. So we have this 90 degrees. That means this makes this particular arc ABC a quarter circle. If BCQ is a semicircle, BCQ is a semicircle with BC being the diameter, and BPC is an arc of a circle centered at A. What is the area of the shaded region? So to answer such questions, the first thing that we need to have is the strategy. So how do we find out the area of the shaded region? Now, the first thing is the shaded region can be identified if out of this quarter circle, if from the semicircle, let's mark it this way, from the semicircle BQC, if we subtract the wedge shape, that means BPC. But how do we subtract this? So to find out this particular area, that means this particular area, we need to subtract this area of the triangle from the semicircle ABC, right? Quarter circle ABC. So quarter circle ABC minus triangle ABC. So that is the strategy for us to find out the area of this shaded region. Let me repeat once again. From this semicircle, we have to subtract this dotted area. And this dotted area is basically the area of this quarter circle minus the area of this triangle. So now that we have this strategy, all we have to do is just simply quick calculations. We have this isosceles triangle where each side is 6. So it is a 45, 45, 90 degrees a triangle. And in that case, the ratio of the sides is 1, 1, root 2. That means BC becomes 6 root 2. Now, the area of a semicircle BQC can be calculated as half of pi 3 root 2 square, because the radius of that semicircle will be half of 6 root 2, which is equal to 3 root 2. So that's the semicircle BQC minus, now we have to do the calculation, the area of the quarter circle, but this quarter circle has radius 6. So we can say 1/4 of pi 6 square minus the triangle with two adjacent sides 6 and 90 degrees between them, half of 6 multiplied by 6. Now we simply have to do this calculation to get our answer. So I'm going to do that quickly. 3 root 2, so that becomes 9 pi because root 2 square gets cancelled out with this half, minus now 36, so that is 9 pi, and this is 6 into 6, 36 by 2, so that becomes equal to 18. Now when we open the bracket, 9 pi gets cancelled out, and finally we are left with an expression 18, which is option C. Hence C option becomes our correct answer. Hope the learning was beneficial. Thank you so much.